See, on my spiritual quest and journey, I had to forgive my mother hundreds and hundreds of times for nothing she really did maliciously and purposely, but to come to the understanding that she's only human, and me trying to please her or keep her away from certain things is not benefiting my journey. For example, my mama would come over and I would run and put up my Baphomet statues and pictures and all other type of symbols, trying to protect her ego. Now I just leave that shit out in pure sight. To my surprise, she was concerned and worried, but that won't stop her loving her baby boy. That Jesus motif set on her is not stronger than the unconditional love she has for me. I went from putting certain things away in my house to letting my truth be my truth. It's not trying to show how big and bad I am. These symbols bring me power and energy in accordance to the symbol. How real is it to me if I'm worried about pleasing others or making others feel comfortable in the space I occupy?